If you have an older fifth wheel like we do, or RV or travel trailer, and you have a fan that looks like this and sounds like that, stick around because I've got something to show you. So welcome to another video on Randy Reviews. Today we're talking about exhaust fans for your RV, and that's what I have right here from a company called Kohree. We've got that old rattle trap that you saw earlier, and a lot of older RVs will have that set up in them. They're inefficient, they're noisy, they're problematic. This is going to fix all of those problems for you. Let me show you everything that's going to come when you order this fan. First off, of course, you've got the fan unit itself. It comes with the fan part, which is going to mount into your roof. This is the trim piece, which is going to mount inside of your bathroom or living room, wherever you're installing this vent. This is going to install on the inside of the trailer. But this thing really has some great features that I love. Number one, you've got the larger fan unit along with the cowling. This is going to cover the entire 14-inch square opening that you have in your trailer and exhaust it efficiently rather than just that tiny little noisy thing that's in one corner of a wide open hole. The other thing I like about this, you've got controls right here, which are going to control all of the functions. You've got 10 different speeds that you can operate this fan at, and not only can you exhaust air out, you can reverse it and pull fresh air into your unit. So that's a great feature of this as well. But it's quiet. This thing here is going to be under 50 decibels, as low as 20, depending on what speed that you run it at. It also has a rain function, so if you have this open, it starts to rain outside, it's going to close itself automatically to prevent you from getting water inside your unit. It's just packed full of different features like that. The other things that you're going to have in the box, along with the fan itself, remote control. This is going to be handy because there's a lot of times that the vent is going to be just way too high for you to be able to reach up there and even control it with those buttons that are included on it. But this here is going to make it easy to point, shoot, and do what you want to. Has this great holder also that you're going to be able to mount to the wall and stash your remote there. Of course, you've got instructions how to install this thing, all of the mounting screws that you're going to need, and it even comes with a butyl tape to seal on the top side of your roof. So let's stop talking about this and go get it installed. Starting on the inside of your RV, remove the trim ring of your current exhaust fan, which you are removing, and with the power off, snip the wires to disconnect it fully. On the roof, you may have a vent cover like this that you need to remove first. With the existing fan unit exposed, carefully scrape away old sealant to expose the existing screws. Be extremely careful not to puncture your roof membrane while doing this. Remove the screws and then carefully pry up the existing unit and remove it from the opening. Once removed, continue to scrape and clean the existing sealants from around the opening, and then using your cleaner of choice, clean the edges before applying the butyl tape to the exhaust fan which you are installing. Before placing the unit in the hole, make sure the hinge side goes towards the front of your RV. In the event you leave it open, you're less likely to rip the lid off while traveling. Square the fan unit up in the hole, and when you're satisfied with that, put screws in the entire perimeter of the fan. Returning to the inside of your RV, complete the electrical connections, and then put the interior trim in place and secure with the included screws. There you have it. The install is complete, and I tell you, we couldn't be happier with this upgrade. Let me show you a couple of the features with the fan. So let's just start by opening the lid. One button. and it's going to extend to fully open. And then with that, let's activate the fan. You actually have 10 speeds, and listen to this. Nothing, right? Absolutely quiet. We couldn't be happier with this. But let's go ahead and turn this all the way up to the highest level at 10. And still extremely quiet. So let's take a look at how powerful this fan is. I do have this on the highest setting. We are exhausting air out of the fifth wheel, but watch this. So now let's reverse the fan. So now we'll push air back in by just a simple button push on the remote. And you can see that dropped immediately, and now we're bringing air back in. Now, one of the other nice features of this, there are a couple of settings on the remote. One is for rain. So if you have this open and it detects rain up on the roof, it is going to close itself to prevent water from getting into your RV. Now, this button here is a great feature because this you can set, and then it will automatically, if your trailer gets to 78.8 degrees, this is going to activate the fan, open it up, and start exhausting the hot air out of your RV. So those are some great features. But let's go up on the roof. We'll take a look at the finished product up there and demonstrate that rain function. So here we are up on the roof. You can get a look at the finished product. Now I say finished, but this isn't totally done because you would definitely want to be sealing around the edge, covering the screws and the seam. However, I do have someone coming to redo our roof, and we're going to tackle that when he's here to take care of the roof. But I did want to demonstrate for you the rain sensor that's on here. The sensor is located right here. And I've got a spray bottle. Watch this. So there you have it, the Kohree RV roof vent fan. This is a great unit. It's a great upgrade if you have that old clunky noisy thing like we did, or maybe you just need a replacement. I can highly recommend this unit, whether it's in your bathroom or some other area of your fifth wheel or RV that you might need something like that. I do appreciate you being here. If you did enjoy this, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment or two if you have something to say, and there will be links down below. You can find this fan. It's a great deal right now, and thanks for hanging out.